Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you Valorant game error, and the error is connection error. Valorant has encountered a connection error. Please relaunch the client to reconnect. Error code WAN293. So if you're getting this error code WAN293 in Valorant game, then here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. First fix, uninstall Docker software from your PC. So if you have installed the Docker software on your PC, then you have to uninstall it. So uninstall Docker software from your PC as they frequently conflict with the Riot Vanguard. And after uninstalling the Docker software, just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the Valorant game and check. Fix 2, disconnect or disable or uninstall VPN software from your PC. So disconnect, disable or uninstall VPN software from your PC as they frequently conflict with Riot Vanguard. Particularly if you have installed the Radmin VPN, then you have to uninstall it. And if you have installed any other VPN software, then you have to disable it or uninstall it. And then again restart your PC. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the Valorant game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then follow the fix 3. First run the VGC service. So in Windows search, type services and open the services. Here look for the VGC. Here it is. Right click on it and then select properties. In the starter tab, select automatic and then click on start. Then click on apply. OK. Then download and install and run the Cloudflare warp software. So go to this website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this website, download and install it as per your operating system. If you have Windows, then click on Windows. And once this Cloudflare warp exe file get downloaded, you have to run it and install it. Then launch it and then select the mode. Here you can see the mode. Select the mode from the drop down here, traffic and DNS UDP, and then connect it. And then after connecting it, go ahead, launch the game and check, and your error will get fixed. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Valorant error code WAN293 on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.